Welcome to CONIX tutorial to discover how to finish a project step by step. Let's get started. First, click on Create a new project. Here, name your project, choose your country and pick its type. Unlock this button if your project contains a roof. Now, select land scheme and plot numbers you desire. Click Search and here it is, your land. Now all you have to do to start the zoning process is to insert your land information. Determine your preferred land surrounding neighborhood. Then your project type from townhouse or duplex as shown. It's time to determine the desired and undesired direction of your view. Don't worry, the undesired view is set by default to be zoned in the south/west for the inner atrium into which all kitchen and bathroom windows look. Yet you can adjust it. Also the primary and secondary streets based on your land requirements. And the best part, from Spaces section you can add a new space. For example, a storage room or a family entrance. Now, click Save and Submit to get your zoning proposals. From the dashboard you can check the status of the project. Once it's done you can continue to navigate your zoning proposals. You have plenty of proposals to choose from. And from here you can view the floors of your project. Let's say you fall in love with that proposal. Tick the checkbox and click Continue to move forward. Here you can view your zoning proposal and download it with different extensions. Before you move to the 2D planning, from Space Preferences button you can freely choose from plenty of choices for each floor. For example, you need Maj List to be 2P sitting. The same for your living room and other spaces. As you can see, you have plenty of preferences helping you to decide. Then, you can get your 2D plans. And you can always go back to the dashboard to check the project's status. Once it's done, you'll be able to proceed to view your 2D plan. By clicking on the floor buttons you can view each floors individually. Also, from this drop-down you can choose the view, whether double wall view or single line view. Seems good. Now tick the checkbox and click Continue. Here you can view and download your unfurnished 2D plan with different format extensions. Now it's time to furnish this plan. Once it's done, click Continue to view the 2D furnished plan for each floor. And from this drop-down you can view all the project stages from zoning, 2D plan, and the furnished plan. We're almost done, click Continue. Here you can view the 2D furnished plan and export it with different extensions. And now you have an editable project which you can edit using AutoCAD or any CAD software, so you can edit. As you can see, you can edit any part of the project based on your preferences. By clicking Finish, you can always go back to Dashboard to check each stage of the project. Project Brief, where you can check the inserted information. Zoning Proposals, where you can check the zoning stage. Also, 2D Plans, where you can check the unfurnished plans. And finally, the Furnished Plans, where you can check the final project after furniture. By this, you've finished your project with CONIX and you can create another new project. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Now you're ready to start your next project with CONIX.